So here is a very cool thing I wanted to quickly show. We've got this kind of shrub patch, which is, for context, down the path from our garden. There is a kitty. Foxy! Busy doing stuff. Anyway, it's not about cats, this one. It's about caterpillars. So this bit's got loads of bracken. That's all kind of these bits here. Yeah, like this is all bracken. And then below it, we've got a lot of nettles. Some common nettle is the feeding plant for peacock butterfly caterpillars. I can't remember if the caterpillars have their own name, but we know what they'll become. Oh, this one's a cool shot. He's got these little sticky bits, like little feet. Can't get it to focus. I'll get there in the end. There we go. So yeah, I call them GOTH caterpillars. They feed on the common nettle. They'll be here for a few weeks. And what I found really cool was that I only noticed these guys and these ones. You can see these have already got some webs. They're kind of like spiders. They make their own silk webs as the caterpillars grow, protect them from birds, protect them from other predators, protect them from being knocked about in the wind, rain. Apparently they're very heat sensitive too, so heat waves and extreme weather events, out of nowhere rain, it's still very disruptive to them. So they make these silk webs to shore them onto the plant. Let's see if I can get another shot of that. And yeah, they then become a chrysalis for another few weeks, maybe a month. But yeah, this is what I found today. They're all in the back as well, probably because they've noticed that I'm being nosy to them. But yeah, they're in loads of nettles going back. I can see hints of black going quite deep in. So hopefully, I read that they don't stay on that plant. They then they basically burrow further into oh goodness, something there. They then, a few more there, hanging out, hiding in the bracken. They become their chrysalis, which looks just like a leaf. It honestly just looks like a wrapped up leaf on the, I'm dancing in the wind. And they look like they'll be quite hard to find, so I'm probably not going to find a chrysalis, though if I do, I'll add it onto this video. And yeah, then they come out of their chrysalis as peacock butterflies. They are beautiful things. And yeah, I just love seeing them at all different life stages, because it's not something you'd really notice unless you're actively in your garden all the time and looking for this stuff. So, oh no, Foxy's pooping. That's apparently his new pooping spot. That's how cats gallop through bracken. Didn't know that, did you? Cats have to skip through bracken like a little horse. So yeah, he's just investigating. But yeah, love these guys, love having caterpillars, love the fact that just because we haven't got around to getting rid of nettles here, they're really enjoying it. Our long-term ambition for this bit is to make it a really good butterfly habitat. There's a lot of buddleia around here already. Buddleia is like one of the most basic feeding plants. We've planted one here. It's been languishing in a pot for ages. But yeah, there's also buddleia behind, right here. So yeah, we're hoping to dot buddleia across different bits of the land. They've got feeding spots, and then yeah, I'm going to focus on trying to find out more on caterpillar feeding plants, because we've had quite a few species of butterfly here, so they're obviously around. They're just not in great numbers. So whatever we can do to help that, I feel particularly good about our garden. I've already lost them. There they are. Alright, say hi to YouTube, caterpillars. I hope you grow big and strong. Foxy? Why are you meowing? This is my other cat, Tron, also known as Wolfie. Of course, they've stopped being adorable. Foxy! Spot the kitty. Like and subscribe? Can you say meow, like and subscribe?